Hi, my name is Zhao Hong.
Hello, my name is Caroline.
And this is our house, where we use Renopedia to source for our IDs, and actually we've met out quite a number of IDs, and then Orange Interior really stands out because they really pull up pretty quickly, and then they gave some really good ideas. Well, the experience is pretty good. It's fuss-free, and I think after we submitted our quotes and what we like to have in the house, quite a number of IDs actually approached us, and then they gave us, some of them gave us a pretty nice proposal. It's pretty quick, I think less than a day. Then yeah, quite a number of IDs actually approached us within one day. The theme of the house is, I would say, maybe slightly rustic. Initially, the theme that we are looking at is actually Scandinavian, but Orange Interior gave us other proposal, and then they gave us a number of nice proposals, including the tabletop. They actually recommend us to have the compact plus so that we can have the wooden theme to it. Even the vinyls and the tables, and this is pretty coherent to the entire theme of being rustic, being back to the nature. Actually, we are doing renovation first time, so one of things that we didn't expect is probably the aircon trunking, because this is actually a resale house, and the trunking was actually laid up at the bottom of the house. So the ID says the usable area is actually at the bottom of the house. So ideally, the trunking should be placed at the top. And then he actually advised us how to actually run the trunking from the window ledge all the way to the 3 bedrooms and the living room. So this is something that is really new for us. Yep.
I think research is very important, to do your own research, to know what you really want, and to communicate with your IDs of your ideas and whether is it feasible or not.
Yeah, I would certainly recommend my interior designer, which is Orange Interior. I think they are very honest, they have some very good ideas, and then I would definitely recommend.
Hey Google, switch on the lights in the living room.
Thank you, Renopedia. Cash an 80K cashback right now.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.